The Chief Minister on Friday inaugurated the new police outpost in Talegaon constituency. He said the outpost will in future be upgraded to a full-fledged police station.
Present on the occasion were Director General of Police T.N. Mohan, Inspector General of Police Sunil Garg, North Goa SP Priyanka Kashyap and other dignitaries. The new outpost at Talegaon will serve under the Panjim police station and will have a police sub-inspector and other police officials. The outpost has been built at a cost of 63 lakh rupees on a 400 plus square meter area. Addressing media persons after the inauguration, the Chief Minister said that his government's main aim was to provide each constituency with a police station. He also said that in the near future, the Talegaon outpost would be converted into a full-fledged police station.
The basic idea is to get, as far as possible, one police station per constituency. Now, because what happens is some police stations have multiple constituencies linked to it. Some problems do arise because of that. Plus areas are bigger. So though it is outpost as of now, since it has own building, when we review the full scenario, we will consider this to be converted into a police station. So we have 24 police stations. The target would be somewhere around 30 by this financial year end. Wherever there is a proper place. As of now, it reports to Panji for purpose of any serious matters, registration of crime matters. So by December we will convert this into a full-fledged police station.
Mr. Parrikar said that once new recruits were initiated into the police department, the state would have adequate force to man every police station in the state.
So far we have got about 600 and some odd police constables in the job. There are 400 and odd under training IRB. We are in the process of selecting some 450 right now. So whatever efforts was done from day one has resulted only in 620 constable into the police force. Long due promotions have been carried out. Almost about 800 constables have been upgraded. Lot of head constables have been promoted to ASI post, ASIs to PSI post, PSIs to PI post. There are only 100 PSIs as of now, whereas the strength is around 262. But 87 are in training. They are likely to join in October end. Ladies constables and special ladies battalion is being group of lady about 79 PSI and 221 constables is being taken up now. So by next by financial year end we'll have a 300 lady police force, because that's very short. And once they come out of training, at the end of next year we will have adequate police force to take care. But now the situation is improving.
When asked about the absence of the local MLA at the function, Mr. Parrikar stated that he had invited the local MLA, but he said he was not aware about the reasons for his absence.
We have invited. We have invited. And I don't at least have any. You can see the board also. I have invited. I don't see it as a difference. Maybe because of long weekend, people are not in town.